Hello my chat partners, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dion. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. So it's Sunday, guys, so I decided I'm getting ready to go ahead on and cook Sunday dinner. It is kind of late, but to be honest, I've been laying around the house all day being lazy. I'm just tired and just drained with just a lot of stuff going on, just a lot. And sometimes you need that mental break to just relax and just get you some rest, because when you sit and think about it and stress about it, it tires you out, and I was really tired. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. Just sending my thoughts out to everyone, just wishing everybody peace of mind, safety for their family and happiness. I'm getting ready to cook Sunday dinner, and what I'm getting ready to cook is I'm getting ready to make a vegan spaghetti meal, which I've made something similar like this before. I just wanted to record this for you guys, for my vegan chat partners out there, and just to show you guys how you can have a healthy, simple meal. And also with the vegan spaghetti that I'm going to make, I'm going to cut up some eggplant and I'm going to bake that as well. So tonight's dinner is going to be vegan spaghetti. Hold on, Princess, go in the other room, because every time I try to film, she want to go drinking water and licking stuff. Go in the other room. Get. Thank you. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, sometimes dogs can be like children. I'm going to show you guys the ingredients, and then I'm going to get to cooking. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Based meatballs here, and it's the Pure brand, and it says on here to preheat the oven for 375, so I have the oven preheated. Show you guys the rest of the ingredients I have. Okay, I showed you guys the plant-based vegan meatballs. I got some rotini noodles that I'm going to use. Fresh mushroom Prego spaghetti sauce. And these are the 2 eggplants that I'm going to cut up and bake. I just bought this zucchini and squash from the grocery store, and as you can see, they look a little, I'm going to just say bless their heart. That's all I'm going to say, because the pickings was slim, and this the best I can pull out the bunch. So I just got like 2 zucchini and 2 squash that I'm going to cut up. And also I'm going to get some peppers and cut up some peppers and put them in there. Yeah, I'm going to cut up some peppers and add it to it as well. So yeah, guys, so let me get ready to start cooking. Okay guys, so I have my zucchini, squash, and pepper sauteing with a little bit of garlic powder and some minced onion. So, and also my vegan plant-based meatballs are in the oven cooking. And what I'm getting ready to do now is get ready to get my water started for my pasta. I have the pot on the stove for my water to get hot. And while my vegetables are sauteing and while my vegan balls are cooking in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and be productive and work on my planner a little bit. A little bit of vegetable oil on the eggplant since I don't have any olive oil, so I think vegetable oil should be okay just to put a little bit. And I'm going to put some Goya adobo seasoning on the eggplant, some garlic powder. I'm gonna put some red pepper flakes on the eggplant as well. I think I'm gonna put some minced onions on it. Still have the stove on 375 from when I was cooking the vegan balls. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead on and add those ingredients to the eggplant, put that in the oven. I think I'll probably cook it for maybe 10 minutes, then flip it over and cook it for another 5 minutes. This is actually my first time cooking eggplant from scratch, like baking it. 7:47, so I think it took me a little over an hour to cook the eggplant out the oven. I added some butter and some salt because the eggplant was looking a little dry, but like I said, it was my first time making it. Pasta's all done now, and the vegan ball bites and the squash, zucchini, and peppers and mushroom sauce are done. So yeah, dinner's all done now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And this is an all the way vegan meal for my vegan chat partners out there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, you guys are great. Take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye guys.